Very generic question. I'll take you out on a date. I basically got myself a date, guys. That was not happening in a long time. So we have our first set of people that we're going to ask the questions.
Nidhi.
Naman Vasan.
Hi, my name is Lisa. I live in New York.
Charu, New York.
Varunab. I'm from Delhi.
Shorbori Kundu.
Shorbori. I got that right. Sakshi, Prakhar. My first question is a very, very basic question.
कुछ भी पूछ
कुछ भी पूछ ridiculous.
Oh wow.
When do we celebrate Republic Day?
26 Jan.
26 जनवरी को सेलिब्रेट होता है
26 January.
Are you sure? No, what date do you think it is then?
I think it's false.
26 Jan.
Yes.
26th of January.
Who is the President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
I can tell you the President of the United States, Donald Trump.
I love this.
No, I don't know. I'm not because.
Pranab Mukherjee.
हाँ प्रणब मुखर्जी आई एम श्योर
Swaminarayan and something them. He's South Indian guy.
भूल जाती हूँ.
I don't know.
He was our ex-president. Did you say Narendra Modi?
Sorry.
Who is Ramnath Kovind then?
यार अभी लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ तो देखी थी प्रणब मुखर्जी था अभी पता नहीं कौन होगा
Our president right now is Mr. Ramnath Kovind.
ऐसा मुझे लगता है शायद यही होगा
Government.
कमाल है
Ramnath Kovind.
रामनाथ कोविंद
Yeah, it's the correct name. Ramnath Kovind.
Why do we celebrate Republic Day?
Constitution के बारे में कुछ था.
कुछ क्या था?
Cause our institution was being made.
देखो पहले तो मुझे पता क्यों लगता था कि हम 26 जनवरी क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्योंकि जब छोटा होता था तब ना एक बार मैंने ड्रिंक कर ली थी तो पापा कहते थे 26 जनवरी 15 अगस्त इनके तेरे लिए मैंने बंद करा दी दारू
Because that day, like in 26 January, India, they got the Purn Swaraj, right? And it was like Sunday, and it like came to that perfect and what to say, like constitution, Indian constitution. So they declared Purn Swaraj on 26 January. That's why they are celebrating that.
Constitution came into power on that day.
When do we celebrate Republic Day and why?
So when the India became a republic, the constitution came into force.
Of course, the Constitution of India was established on that day.
Because that's when the constitution came into effect.
The Constitution of India was framed in 1950.
And we celebrate because our constitution came into being on 26 January.
It's coming in effect on 26.
What do you call Republic Day in Hindi?
Swatantrata Divas.
What do you call Independence Day in Hindi?
Oh man, pass.
Ganatantra Divas.
I have no idea what a republic is called in Hindi. Pass.
What do you call Republic Day in Hindi?
Ganatantra Divas. I knew this. Ganatantra Divas. I'm actually Bengali.
Ganatantra Divas.
Republic Day को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
गणतंत्र दिवस
एक बार आप कैमरा में देख के बोलना.
गणतंत्र दिवस
So we call it Gartantra Divas. So next question, I think that you guys can answer. What does the word republic mean to you? Come on, one answer. Anything that you think of.
Don't look at me.
Freedom.
All right.
Country.
Anything else?
Republic, yeah, it's like a country.
Country.
It's a combination of different parts of it.
So it's like an independent country coming together and taking over themselves and setting the rules down and then growing as a country together.
All right. Republic is something that is governed, ruled and governed by the people of the country. But you guys were really close. Republic Day के दिन basically एक special show पूरा telecast होता है जो cover करता है सारा activities को. वो कौन से channel पे telecast होता है?
Okay, I know this.
कंफ्यूज था
Please, that
National
is
DD.
Doordarshan.
DD National.
उन्होंने बताया था.
अच्छा DD का full form?
डीडी आप बता दो मेरे कान में मैं खुद बोल दूंगा इस पे कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा
That's amazing. What channel covers Republic Day celebrations every year?
DD, no? Doordarshan.
DD National.
डीडी का फुल फॉर्म गूगल करता हूँ एक सेकंड रुको
Doordarshan.
दूरदर्शन
I think it's Doordarshan because our dad used to make us watch it every year.
I actually still watch it with my parents, and you are right, Doordarshan it is. What do you call the constitution in Hindi?
Rashtra Kitab.
Okay, too much Hindi.
यार ये हमारी गलती थोड़ी है जब से इंग्लिश आई है ना हमारी कंट्री के अंदर तब से हम लोग भूल चुके हैं
One second.
Constitution called in Hindi.
मैं भूल गया
I don't know.
I have no idea. संविधान.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को हम हिंदी में संविधान बोलते हैं.
संविधान मेरे को ये भी पता था.
I have no idea.
I like राष्ट्रीय किताब as well. Yeah. What do you call our constitution in Hindi?
संविधान.
Samvidhan.
Samvidhan.
संविधान. संविधान.
Do you think that a constitution plays an important role in the shaping of a country or like anything in general?
The constitution is the basis of this our democracy.
It is the basic guideline according to which the government works, according to which the citizens of the country are supposed to work.
So that was it for the video. This time we took on the streets to ask people questions about Republic Day, and I was so pleasantly surprised to see that Delhi knows a great deal about it. And I hope you guys also knew the answers to these questions. Let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to PopXO Daily. Jai Hind and Happy Republic Day.